I once posed this question to my best friend. If you go back in time and change one thing in your life, what would it be? He said, I wish that when I tried to commit suicide a few years ago, it would have worked. I asked why. Then he said, I wouldn't have to be burdened on those I love anymore. All across the board, we as a society are struggling, as shown by increases in suicide, obesity, alcohol consumption rates, and more over the past decade. It is widely known that anxiety disorders are the most common mental illnesses, affecting 40 million in the US alone. But what about the 40 million people with physical disabilities, the 30 million with eating disorders, the 8 million with PTSD, and the 1.4 million attempted suicides in 2017 alone? Every statistic and problem that you see on the screen is all too real, and too many people face these problems alone. That is why I want to create an app called Another Day. This app will allow users to create a specialized profile which categorizes for age, current problems, and a ranking system for severity of each problem. It would include a chat room, help hotline, daily pop-up notifications that would brighten their days, a journal section to help them vent on the go, and an advice tab containing articles to their situations, modes of coping, and counseling and resources near them. Last year, one of our peers ended her life. A year ago on today, a 10-year-old boy hung himself in his closet and his mother found him back in my hometown. We all wonder, what if we had done more? And I think that this is something that we could do to help them. Thank you.